The simulation looks good. Adjust the feed rate slightly here. The ultrasonic reading is stable. We have validation.
Easy, easy. Bring it down another 2 inches. Hold it right there. We're clear on the left side. Torquing the bolts now. Easy on the left. Align the mounts. Got it. Torquing now. Okay, follow the yellow line on the diagram. Got it. Securing the harness now. Make sure the engine sensor connector goes to the right port. Keep the light steady right there. Torque to 25. Moving to the steering column connection now. Front left is reading 17.5.
Okay, I'm adjusting the rear right now, still low.
Okay, it's exactly 18 now. Pins inserted. Pass the torque wrench over here. 35 Newton meters on the setting. All bolts secure, let's check the movement. Aligning the front mounts now. Hand me the impact. Torque set to 150. Go ahead. Charging system verified. The battery is healthy. Powering up the sync Rs. Stand by for the bit sequence. Lights are green. Looks good to go. Channel 1 is clear. Radio check, radio check.
This is Test Bay 1, all systems nominal.
Climbing the 60% grade now, moving into the side slope. Suspension is fully engaged. Hitting the mud pit, full power, accelerating hard to 80 clicks.
Stopping distance 35 meters. Brake temperature 150 Celsius. Data recorded.
All tests passed. Final inspection complete. The vehicle is officially documented and ready for military acceptance. Verify these torque specs against the maintenance log. Are the final dimensions within tolerance?
Make sure those corners are protected.
Got the plastic secured. Batteries disconnected. All right, keep it coming steady. A little more to the left. Hold it. Chocks in place. Secure the straps.
We closely monitor our monthly output, currently at 150 units. These charts highlight our continuous commitment to quality across the assembly line.
All call signs, tighten up the interval. Watch the left flank. Over, over.
This video is created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or refuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.